So that's kind of like how we see the builder life cycle. That sounds good. I think there's a variety of use cases that's being built with the financial infrastructure that Polygon is providing businesses with. Specifically for a custom blockchain solution, we're still like observing what type of use cases are them like hitting product market fit, and we're still early. Hopefully Ternoa will be one of them. I think like the builder journey that we kind of like finding ourselves keep on repeating is as following. There's a lot of like teams that are building, payments, RWA, stablecoin type use cases. And we think that our main initial chain, PolygonPoS, is a test bed for these types of experimental use cases. Once these use cases kind of reach a certain, gas usage or monthly active users or whatever KPI that project is targeting, then it's a good point to move to their own dedicated blockchains. I think at this point, projects start owning a large distribution network, which essentially makes a dedicated chain a more suitable solution for projects rather than building on public chains. And then these projects start building on their own dedicated chains. Then the next thing in the builder journey becomes like, okay, I have my use cases on my chain, but I want to tap into other protocols and other products that exist in other ecosystems, because there's a lot of great builders and there's a lot of great products in other ecosystems. So this is where interoperability comes into play. You have your chain, now you want to connect it with other ecosystems. This is where Agglayer comes into play. And then you start tapping into cross-chain experiences. We have recently incubated this chain called Katana, which also uses Vaultbridge, generates native yield, but more like on top of that, there's various like cutting-edge, very interesting DeFi protocols. And we essentially want these dedicated chain builders to tap into the liquidity and different use cases on Katana as well. So that's kind of like how we see the builder life cycle. And I think this is after like talking with tens of builders that are building with our technology. So I mean, there's no direct one piece of advice or anything like that. But I think I would say if I'm providing one suggestion to builders, it's understanding where they are in this like builder journey and building on the right infrastructure for where they are in the builder journey. That's like my 2 cents for, an advice.